I am Fatma Ahmadzai, working as lecturer botany at Government Girls Degree College, Quarry Road, Quetta. The course which I am teaching in this semester is Cell Biology, Genetics and Evolution. The topic which I am going to discuss today is Mendel's law of segregation. Now, what is meant by segregation? Segregation means setting apart, keeping apart, isolating. What segregation means? Setting apart from others, keeping apart from others, and isolating from others. Now, what is law of segregation? Two alleles coding for a trait, like these two capital T's coding for tallness in pea plant, these two small t's coding for dwarfness in pea plant. These two alleles coding for a trait are separated at the time of gamete formation. Like this capital T comes here and this capital T comes here in the form of gametes. This small t comes here and this small t comes here. In this way, the two alleles coding for a trait are separated from one another at the time of gamete formation. Now, what is Mendel's law of segregation? When two different alleles of a trait are brought together in an individual, they stay together, but at the time of gamete formation, they separate so that each gamete can have only one of the two alleles, not the both. This is the same thing that I explained here, that two alleles coding for a trait remain together in an individual but are separated from one another at the time of gamete formation. Like this, they are separated. Mendel crossed a homozygous tall pea plant, this one, with a homozygous dwarf pea plant, this one, in P1 generation, which is parental generation. After meiosis, gametes are produced. This capital T from here, this capital T from here, this small t from here, and this small t from here. Then the gametes are crossed, like first one with first one with second one, second one with first one, second one with second one. As a result, all the offsprings produced in F1 or first filial generation were heterozygous tall. Then Mendel crossed a heterozygous tall with a heterozygous tall. He self-fertilized them. After meiosis, gametes are produced in the same way, that the capital T comes here and the small t comes here, and again the capital T comes here and the small t comes here. Then the gametes are crossed in the same way, like first one with first one with second one with first one, and second one with second one. As a result, the following offsprings are produced in F2 or second filial generation. They are homozygous tall, heterozygous tall, heterozygous tall, and homozygous dwarf. The phenotypic and genotypic ratios of Mendel's law of segregation were: phenotype was 3:1, 3 are tall and 1 is dwarf. Genotype was 1:2:1, 1 is homozygous, both the alleles are similar, 2 are heterozygous, the alleles are different, 1 is homozygous, the alleles are similar. Thank you so much, students.